Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving into the top 5 insanely cheap destinations for digital nomads. I've been getting tons of questions about how to make the most of location independence without emptying your bank account. There are some incredible places where you can live comfortably, enjoy vibrant cultures, and still have enough left over for spontaneous adventures. So, buckle up, because we are about to drop some serious travel knowledge on you.
First up, we're heading to Bali, Indonesia. Bali is like the holy grail for digital nomads. It's got stunning natural beauty and a crazy affordable cost of living. Delicious street food for a couple of bucks, affordable accommodations, and a thriving digital nomad community. Imagine waking up to the sound of the ocean, grabbing some nasi goreng for breakfast, and heading to a co-working space. You can easily rent a scooter for like $5 a day to explore hidden waterfalls, ancient temples, and epic sunsets. Trust me, riding through the rice paddies with the wind in your hair is pure freedom. It's no wonder Bali is a magnet for digital nomads. It's the perfect blend of adventure, affordability, and a laid-back vibe. Next up, we're venturing to Chiang Mai, Thailand, a city synonymous with digital nomadism. The cost of living here is ridiculously low. Delicious pad thai for $1, super cheap massages, and affordable accommodations. The internet is super reliable and fast, crucial for running an online business. Chiang Mai has incredible energy, with stunning temples, vibrant night markets, and friendly locals. The laid-back vibe makes you want to slow down and just be present. Co-working spaces are everywhere, each with its own unique vibe and community. You'll meet people from all walks of life, share stories, and maybe even make some lifelong friends.
Medellin, where culture meets affordability. Let's jump over to South America, to the vibrant city of Medellin, Colombia. Medellin is a city that pulsates with energy and has a surprisingly affordable cost of living. Delicious empanadas for pennies, cheap local beers, and affordable accommodations. The digital nomad community here is a melting pot of cultures and backgrounds. Medellin has no shortage of co-working spaces, from trendy cafes to traditional co-working spots. Explore the colorful Comuna 13 neighborhood, take a salsa lesson, or soak up the electric atmosphere. Medellin is quickly becoming a digital nomad hotspot.
Lisbon sun, style and savings. Let's hop over to Europe, to the sun-drenched city of Lisbon, Portugal. Lisbon is incredibly affordable, especially considering the quality of life. Delicious seafood, world-class wine, stunning architecture, and a laid-back Mediterranean lifestyle. The city is incredibly walkable, saving you money on transportation. Lisbon has a thriving startup scene, a growing number of co-working spaces, and a community of entrepreneurs and creatives. Imagine working from a cafe overlooking the Tagus River, then exploring ancient castles and soaking up the sun on Lisbon's beaches.
Ho Chi Minh City, a city of energy and opportunity. Last but not least, we're heading to Ho Chi Minh City, Vietnam, a city that's a whirlwind of energy, culture, and affordability. The streets are a symphony of honking motorbikes, street vendors, and the aroma of delicious Vietnamese coffee and pho. It's incredibly affordable, with street food for pennies, cheap local beers, and affordable accommodations. The internet is surprisingly fast and reliable, essential for working remotely. Ho Chi Minh City is a hub for digital nomads, with a growing number of co-working spaces and cafes. You'll find people from all walks of life, all drawn to the city's unique blend of affordability and opportunity. So there you have it, guys, my top 5 insanely cheap destinations for digital nomads. From the beaches of Bali to the bustling streets of Ho Chi Minh City, these places offer the perfect blend of affordability, adventure, and opportunity. Living the digital nomad life isn't about sacrificing experiences, it's about making your money go further. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags, book that flight, and get ready for the adventure of a lifetime. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more travel tips and destination guides.